Oh, bro, yo,
man.
long time no see.
Long time
How you
no
been?
see,
What's
bro.
new with you?
Dude, I'm waiting to show you, man. Brand new Bayerns.
Oh, I like that. You know I like my Bayerns. But yo, I got something new to share with you. So I got myself an Iceman straight from Germany, bro. Got it shipped and everything. Took a while because the COVID situation kind of slowed down things, you know? Like, yeah, COVID be messing everything up.
Bro.
Yo, brother, dude.
Man.
Long time no see, man. Long
Dude.
time no see.
You're not gonna believe it, bro.
Yeah?
I'm waiting to tell you,
Yeah.
but
Oh,
just got brand new Bayerns on, bro.
these are Bayerns? These ain't Bayerns?
Bro, they are, bro.
Dude, how much do they cost?
Bro.
Yo, are you getting off eBay, bro?
Oh, I got it from this guy.
Yo, this guy, yo, let me tell you an actual story, some real
bro,
shit,
come
right?
on, man.
So, I actually
what are
got
you
an
running,
Iceman.
bro?
Yo, I got an Iceman in the back, bro. Iceman.
Bro, from little
straight
Germany,
from no,
from
bro,
little
yo,
Germany.
no. Yo,
This guy,
straight
little
from Germany.
Germany.
Yo, no, I literally do. I swam, bro. I swam, picked it up, picked the box up, put it on my back, swum the back.
Told you it was from Germany, but
No,
it
no,
was
no,
from
no, no,
little
no, dude,
Germany.
no. It's the real, bro. You want to hear, bro? You know, I make Audi RAs cry all day. Bro, can you imagine not being able to own a BMW, having to drive in like GMCs and Fords and stuff?
Bro.
It's like, yo,
Oh, man.
yo,
Dude.
what I mean, bro, yo, a truck, bro. Dude, do I look like I got a redneck? I don't think so, bro. Yo, if you're anybody, you drive a BMW, baby. Yo, bro, I've heard that these bolts are actually pretty economical. They're good for your environmental footprint as well. You hear?
Oh,
Man?
they
Like,
are.
yeah, you get a grant also from the government, I think, or you know,
Dude,
you can go in the HOV lane. It's actually
True,
pretty good
man.
for the environment, man.
Sustainable, man.
I mean, yeah, I was thinking of actually getting an i3 the other day, man. You know, I am in petrolhead, but you know, I love my E46. But you know what? I wouldn't mind kind of, you know, buying an i3 as like a, you know, daily commuter, you know, like keep my baby in the garage and just kind of like also just run on a little bit of electricity from time to time, you know?